Add in some certain specific supplements, like I mentioned, probiotics. Start with a lot of, do some vitamin C. Get some liquid zinc going. Zinc is a weapon that can be used across the board in this fight. The immune system uses it. Your good bacteria thrive on it. It kills bad bacteria. It reinforces your nails, skin, and hair, which is right at ground zero for us. That's right at the front lines of the battlefield is us. It's our nails, our skin, and our hair. Get to the zinc. Get straight to the periodic table of elements. Get straight to them. Zinc is the major one for us because it's getting depleted in a chronic condition. The immune system's burning it up because it needs more of it. That's why I always throw some liquid zinc in my water, and I just consistently bring in zinc. Reinforces everything that we're doing here. Magnesium reinforces the cardiovascular system, the red blood cells, because we got to heal those red blood cells. As the gut wall strengthens again and things start to function how they're supposed to, and the good bacteria build back up, then we have the magnesium to help the body do all of its functions. All the cells do all their functions. Magnesium is, once again, right on the periodic table of elements, needed by everything in the body. Magnesium, zinc, probiotics, the ones I use are plant and soil organisms. Like I said, those are the probiotics that go along with my focus of eating mostly a plant-based diet to heal. So I think they go hand in hand with that. They're peas and carrots there. And so if you're going to take probiotics like that, then take them with a high amount of fiber, plant-based fiber. That's what I do. I don't just take probiotics and they don't just work on their own in a vacuum. They work because they are reinforcing that community. They're passing through the community. They're sending information to my resident gut bacteria. They're showing the immune system what's good and what's bad. They're reducing inflammation with the short chain fatty acids they give off as they pass by and consume those plant matters that I'm eating. And then they move on through. They're plant and soil organisms. They go back to the soil, so I can bring some more in. That's kind of the natural sense of picking a fruit off of a tree and eating it, or eating something out of your garden. You're getting a lot of these elevated organisms on those foods. I'm very soon going to be eating out of my own garden and eating my own herbs. So I maybe I won't need to supplement them as much, but even then, still, I like to bring in a copious amount because I'm dealing with a severe infection all around the body. So I'm going to keep bringing in troops to fight that battle. So a liquid B12 can really help you as you're transitioning away from a modern American diet into more of a plant-based diet. Or adenosylcobalamin and methylcobalamin mixture, not the cyanocobalamin, but the adenosyl mixed with methylcobalamin. Those are great, highly absorbable types of B12. And B12 is a methylation vitamin, which means B12 helps you absorb nutrients into the bloodstream from what you digest. So on that basis, you want to make sure the B12 you're taking is highly absorbable. So it's just because it's the key mechanism what's being used by the liver to bring nutrients into the blood.